Mwakoi. So today, dialelo. Today means dialelo. We want to learn another proverb which is very, very, very frequent, very known among Balubakat. So which is among my brothers and sisters in North Katanga. We have what we call BITOBALA. I love that one. BITOBALA BIFWANA. BITOBALA BIFWANA. It's written BITOBALA BIFWANA. Kalulu wafuile bombwe. Bombo mwepo. So the mwepo is the bombwe, which is mwepo. I think bombo is a very interesting word, which is many people speak Kiluba also probably don't know that word. Like myself, I have to learn and ask here and there, and to make sure I explain things in a very correct way. Bombwe means mwepo. So let's go literally explain very quick what's going on. BITOBALA BIFWANA. BITOBALA, it's sugary things. What is sweet? Sweet things will kill you. BIFWANA means a kill. Sugary things kill, or sugary food kills. So BITOBALA BIFWANA. What is sweet? Sweet stuff can kill you, or sweet stuff will kill you. And then kalulu wafuile bombwe, bombwe mwepo, bombwe means that by eating salt, eating salt caused the rabbit's death. Eating salt caused the rabbits to die. And what happens that the rabbit was enjoying the salt, and that salt killed him. And so here, of course, I think the rabbits, we all know that the rabbits is most of the time presented like the smartest animal in the bush, so in the forest. So he was enjoying the salt, and elders say that he died because of that. So this is just to let us know, if you see somebody who like to eat sweet stuff mostly, you say BITOBALA BIFWANA, be careful with the sweet. As we learn even scientifically, it's presented that sweet kills. I mean, sugar kills. So we're doing our best to avoid the carbohydrates, to avoid all those sweet stuff, so that we stay healthy. So God bless you, Leza Mwesele, and see you very soon. Very soon. We will continue having exciting information in Kiluba as we go forward. So stay strong and be blessed.